reach, but a bit stiff on his footwork. He needs to fight from the distance. As you can see, and hit him right with a jab. But a great counter. New angles and see jab. Just rolling with the punches, just bobs and weaves, and this is.
His success is he punches. So in boxing we usually we have that rhythm.
Great right hand. There we saw it from Njononimo. But what he does when he 5'11", maybe 6 feet on average. The negative is that in a close fight you might know in advance who is winning. He's hurt in the body. He is really hurt. And Jacob Bank knows it, and he's down.